did that Litecoin go? I canceled my sell order that I put in at 259, and now we're sitting at 266. I see a red candle forming though. I don't like that. Here comes the correction. It's coming down, 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 down. Let's see what happens. We're in the 1 minute charts. So at the 1 minute charts, you're zooming in, seeing what the action is going on minute by minute. This red candle shows a lot of selling activity, which means that there seems to be a resistance forming here at the 265 mark. But the candle's struggling. Let's see what happens. If you zoom out, and you're not at 1 minute, let's go to 15 minutes. It looks green now. Let's go to 1 minute. And then the 1 minute, you're struggling going down is 260, 263. So let's see what happens now. Now there's a green candle forming. So it looks like this dip might have just been a few scaredy cats getting out of the game, or people cashing out like me. So let's see what happens. I'm probably going to keep watching this and try to squeeze a little bit more out of my Litecoin before I go ahead and sell it. I have a limit sell order here at 270 ready to go, and we might just have to execute it at that. So if you look at here at Coin Market Cap, you can see the phenomenal gains that Litecoin has made just in 24 hours. 57.88%. That is absolutely bonkers. Nobody saw that coming. Everything else, Bitcoin's trading a little bit lower. Not a big surprise. Ethereum, 18% gain. Bitcoin Cash. I don't own any Bitcoin Cash yet. Still not sure how do I feel about it. It's definitely a good buy to have. I should own some of that. IOTA down 4.52. Ripple's back to 25 cents from its dip it had, so I am break even on Ripple now. Dash, I really like Dash. I just haven't done anything with it yet. Monero is at 294, up 12%. Bitcoin Gold is down 5.86%. I think this might be a good one to get into, even though it's one of the smaller ones. NEM. This is one I really, really like. It has a great technology, third generation blockchain technology, except I got burned on it. I did something that you should never ever do. I bought it at its peak. I bought NEM when it was around 65 cents, thinking that the rally was going to keep going, but it didn't. Now might be a good time to buy. It's back up 11%, and it could go back up to its all-time high. Cardano, I don't know much about, but I should. Ethereum Classic, I tend to stay away from just because, it's not Ethereum. It was what it was before. I need to do a little bit more research on that. EOS. EOS has a huge future if their plan plays out the way it should. So keep your eye on EOS. I bought EOS through their ICO page. It was quite hard to do. I recommend probably buying it on an exchange. Populous has gone up crazy also, 64%. Populous is definitely one I want to get into, but I do not want to get burned like I did on Neo. Buying at its peak. Let's see if it is at its peak. What is the all-time high? Let's see here. Looks like $40. So it's very close to its all-time high. It is at its all-time high. So I don't know. There should be a correction here, but you never know. Some people lose more money waiting for the corrections than actually getting in. Because here, like this spike here was a little correction here, and then boom, spikes up. But I like Populous. I like their technology. It's a great currency to get into. I don't own any personally myself, but it's very interesting. It's for invoice buyers. If you've ever been in business and sometimes you need to sell your invoices to have better cash flow, what a great technology. Especially great application for the blockchain. I highly recommend you go to this populous.co, read about Populous, find out. See, here we got a borrower. and the borrower invoices with terms, the invoice market, and then an investor buys the receivables. It's a tremendously great application. I can see why it's shot up so much. Populus up 69.31%. Against Bitcoin, it's up 69.90, and against Ether, it's up 47.38. This concept is very important. You need to know whether it's up against the US dollar, up against Bitcoin, or up against Ether. It definitely makes a difference depending on how you're managing your portfolio. So I keep seeing these ads for this viral node. I actually bought some of this just because I saw so many ads, and I figured if they had such great marketing and so much money for ads, at least they might have something going on here. So I bought some viral node. I haven't researched it too much. It's Ethereum blockchain refer via decentralized share token. It goes very fast. So here's their roadmap. Smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain, DApp, live implementation of viral technology, powered token sale. So let's see what happens with viral. This looks like an interesting play. We don't know exactly what it is. Do your own research, as always with ICOs. There could be a lot of money made or a lot of money lost. So this is Wild Bitcoin Bill again. Thanks for watching another episode, and I'll see you guys next time.